This is Crypto Kernels. I'm your host, Asa Kane. This show marks our 42nd episode, and in it, we're going to do something that we have never done before. We're going to find out exactly how you, our viewers, have earned huge crypto profits in 2021, which also were just the first 6 months of our existence. Now, before we do so, I'm going to tell you just how Crypto Kernels came to be. After that, I'm going to show you exactly how our videos have earned huge profits in 2021 and beyond. Afterwards, I'm going to share with you some of the many unique situations that we encounter and have encountered as a new crypto channel. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button, which is the thumbs up icon that you see there. It helps share this video with others that are new to crypto and want to learn as much as they can. Now, the first video, our very first video, was about OMI token, or OMI, the platform, and the token. It debuted on June 26th of 2021. I remember distinctly because it took me about a week to get the format down that I wanted, because I had never made a video before. Anyway, at that time, the OMI token price, less than a penny, 0.3 of a penny, 0.21. As you can see here, look, 0.002114. That was the price the day our first video premiered. Now today, Monday, January the 17th, 2022, the price is 0.0073, which is more than 3 times what it was when our debut video came out. That's a profit of 3.5 times. So if you put in $100, you turn that $100 into $350. If you put in $1,000 and bought $1,000 worth of OMI, you've turned it into $3,500, and so on and so forth. This is our very first video ever on YouTube. Not bad for a debut, huh? Now, our second video was on HEX. I took it down because at the end I didn't show exactly how to get HEX. I was busy with 100 other things that day, and I forgot to show you all how to buy HEX in the video, or I left it out. Anyway, it's a link to that original HEX video in the description, and also where you can see it. On June 27th, when our video on HEX premiered, it was 8 cents. And it has since went up to an all-time high of 48 cents, which is 6 times what the original price was when the video premiered. This is life-changing money that we're talking about. What else could you have done during this time to earn 6 times your original investment? Anything. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, but OMI, yes. HEX, yes. Now it has since lost a lot of value because of a lot of sell-off, but the profit was there, and it's still there. It's still 2x what it originally was, more than 2x. These are hard, cold, actual profits. Now BNB, our video debuted on June 30th of last year. It was $2.88 per BNB token at that time. It has since gone up to a high of, as you can see here, $654, which is well more than 2x. That was in November, the first week of November, and it has since cooled off to $474, which is still a tremendous profit, and we're just talking as of right now. And as you all know, BNB is the largest exchange in the world. Now the next one I'm going to show you, Sandbox, the Sandbox Metaverse. Our Sandbox token video debuted on July the 17th of 2021. Now, I found out about sand in the metaverse in February, March of last year, so over a year ago. At that time, it was even cheaper than that. Now, when our video debuted, the price was only 48 cents per token. It has since gone up to an all-time high, which I'll show you here in a minute, but this is the price it was then when our video debuted. It has gone up to an all-time high of $8.40, which is well over 10 times what it was when our video debuted. 10 times the investment earned on your original money. This is life-altering generational wealth that we're talking about here, people. This is what this channel has been bringing to you from day one. If nothing else, this one video alone is worth more than any college or university that you can ever attend, or any trade school. This right here, this video. But it doesn't even stop there. The next video about Axie Infinity, or the AXS token, that premiered July the 20th. And when it did so, I remember this distinctly as well, because I found out about Axie February, March of last year also. And at the time our video premiered on July the 20th, it was only $22 per token. It has since gone up tremendously, reaching an all-time high of $160 just 2 months ago. This is more than 7 times the profits, a 7x increase. Again, life-changing money. There is no job you could have right now, whether you do hair, whether you are a musician, whether you're a secretary, whether you work at a supermarket, there's nothing that you can do to earn this type of money. We've been showing you since day one. Another receipt, Mana. When our video on Mana debuted on September the 10th, the price per Mana token was 83 cents. It has since, as you can see here, it has since gone up. And that was September the 10th. You can look and check the video. It's here. All-time high, November the 24th, of $5.47. That is more than 5 times profits on the money earned that invested. So if you invested 500, that 500 is now worth over 2,500 in a few months. The market cap low, $5 billion. Yes, it's a lot of money, but overall it's very low, which means tremendous room for growth. Not financial advice. Do your own research. The next one, the Crow card and the token, that debuted September 13th, a few days later. Now, Crow, I started buying NFTs on crypto.com in January of last year. I've got several of them. And when our video premiered on September 13th, it was 18 cents per token. This was before they bought the naming rights to Staples Center, which was their biggest move to date. But well before that, all-time high, it reached 90 cents November the 22nd. Less than 2 months ago, it has since cooled off some, but it's still 44 cents, which is 2.5 times what it was when our video on it premiered September the 13th. These handful of videos alone by themselves, let alone collectively, are worth more than any course that you could ever invest in. The next one. Now, I will show BAT token because it did experience tremendous growth. It has since cooled off some, but when our video on it premiered September the 17th, it was 75 cents. It is currently at $1.05 per token. And the last one, the KuCoin Exchange and their native token, KCS, our video on it premiered October the 3rd. The price was $10.65 per token. You can see here. Everything is verifiable. Men lie, women lie. Numbers don't lie. This is what drew me to crypto and what has drawn me further and further and closer into this space, into this way of life. Because that's what it really is. It's not a job. It's not a career. It's a way of life. Money is energy. It's the result of doing things to receive that money as a result of the work that you put in, or the work that was done by these companies that are changing the world every day. Now, if you receive value from this video, make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any upcoming episodes. Now, I started mining Bitcoin back in 2013. I went through some things with my family. That computer was stolen from me. Fast forward 7 years. Now, my role as a father, you can see our email address here. Any inquiries, send them there. Now, if you are working on a platform or a token or anything and you want us to talk about it and share it with our viewers, I'm up for it as long as I see value in it. But again, you must pay for it. Nothing is free. You guys would be surprised at how many times I've been approached by developers and CEOs and they want me to make a video on them for free. This is the moment of truth, because I have shown how I have provided value, how we have provided value for the last 6 months, how we have helped you make life-changing money. Many of you have told me this, but out of the hundreds of emails I've received, less than 50 of you have contributed financially to the growth of this channel and shown your gratitude for the source that has helped you to change not only the course and trajectory of your life, but of the people that you love as well. In the universe, I believe in karma. I believe what you put out, you will get back. I've seen it too many times, and I've experienced it too many times in my own life. And those of you that have only taken from me and from this channel, and you have no intentions of ever reciprocating or showing genuine appreciation by contributing to the growth of this channel, because everything costs money, then you're a parasite and you're no longer wanted here. Your views are not wanted. Your presence is not wanted. So go anywhere else. Man, woman, whoever you are. There are no free rides in this world. We all owe. The only person that's entitled to learn from this channel is my son, because he was my driving force and my inspiration for creating it. Everyone else, it's a business relationship. Know that. Now, our Patreon will be up here in the next few days. Our most valuable new content, where I talk about how I started earning money playing certain games, earning crypto. I'm going to be sharing it there, along with new tokens that I've become an investor in. I'm going to share them there, because I've already given so much here, and it's not been reciprocated. Now, you guys can make amends for this. Maybe you thought, oh, he knows all this, he's making all this money, they don't need anything. No, that's not how business works. Once we have to provide value, I've done that, and I'm going to continue to do that. It is now your turn to reciprocate that value, that appreciation. You show your appreciation not by saying thank you, but by contributing financially. If you've earned 10 grand from watching my channel, contribute $1,000. That's 10%. That's nothing. A stockbroker charges you more than that. This is real life. This is the real world. Nothing is free. There's our Ethereum link right there. Any ERC20 token. You can contribute right there today. We're going to continue to grow here. But our most valuable videos from here on out are going to be on Patreon, because I've given too much to you. I've given too much to the world. And I've received nothing.